Hello, this is Akshara Priyadarshi from Karunya University, register number UR15CS307. Today I'm gonna explain you about my third exercise in data structure lab. Uh, the question was something like this. I had to simulate the working of queue of integers using an array with the following operations: insert, delete, display and all. So basically we have to show the working of queue and what all functions do we have in that. So here's my program. I've started with hash include iostream as it is library which you know includes standard files and all input output streams for the C++ programming. And then using namespace std is a library which will include all functions like cout, cin, string, etc. So here's the main function which helps the compiler to run and also to exit. you know Now let me start the program. Yeah, here I've declared integer. Frnd is just to represent front. Actually I did not write o because front is one of the elements of the library in C++. So if I write front, it will become a function. So I did not write front. Instead of that, I just wrote frnt to represent front equals to -1. That is the initial value of the queue. And then I have initialized rare, which, which is also equals to -1, which is the initial value. And yeah, in this queue, it is unlike this one stack has top but queue has front and rear, two elements. Stack always goes from top, but queue it's not like that. uh, it's first come first service, so basically we have two things, front and rear. Now I have also introduced variable n uh, to choose what operation do we have to do, and then s as the maximum size of the queue, and array of 10 which is maximum size of the maximum size of queue. That means I can choose maximum size of the queue as 10. Okay, now I'm asking for maximum size of the queue here, and then I'm applying while loop to continue the program, or run again and again if you want, until we press the option for exit. Then here it's see out, I'm asking for the choices insert, delete, display. Then yeah, according to the number 1, 2, 3, 4, I've applied switch case. So here, uh, in if we are inserting anything, first we have to check the condition whether the queue is full or empty. If it is queue is whether it's full or not. Is there any space to insert element or not? So when we apply this formula, rare equals s minus 1, that means maximum size minus 1. If rare is maximum size minus 1, that means the toppest value of the queue's position, then it is full. Otherwise, we can you know increase the value of the rare, and then whatever value we are putting will be stored in the array of this rare. And then we are breaking this case. Then in case 2, when we have to delete an element, we have to check whether queue is empty or not. Queue will be empty only when front and rear are equal, right? So we are applying if front equals rear, that means both are -1 or something, so it's empty. Queue will only be empty if it's -1, both are -1. And then if it is not empty, then we'll first increase the value of front, that means the position of front will increase, and the last position of front, or which was going to be deleted, will be shown in this cout statement and then deleted, as array of front will be shown. And then in case 3, we'll see we have to display, right? So we have to display all the elements from front to rear. So we are applying this for loop. This for loop will give you I int I equals to front, then I less than equals to rear, I plus plus, which is like it starts from the front, goes till rear, every time it's increasing. Okay, and then this I, whatever value it contains, will be shown with the help of this array of I, and then we break the statement. This is how our switch case works in this. Then if we want to exit the loop, we just have to press 4, otherwise any one of the 3, and loop will continuously run. Let me show you. Yeah, enter the size of the queue. Let me take only 4. Insert, delete, display. So I'm gonna insert, yeah, enter an element. Let me enter 23. Yeah, again insert 21, again insert. Yeah, you can see I've already entered 4 elements, right? No, only 3 is that. Yeah, I can insert one more, I guess. Yeah, so I have inserted 4 elements. If I insert one more, it'll it'll just show you queue is full. Now let me delete this. This program is for linear queue, remember that. So once it is full, we cannot empty it and again fill it. So let me show you. Let me delete one element. The last element, sorry, the first element, which came first in the queue, was deleted. It's like standing in a queue for your lunch in hostel. Same way. First, first 23 came in the queue, so first 23 went out. Uh, and yeah, I cannot insert anything. See, queue is full. Even though one spot is empty, still it will show full if one's filled. Now let me delete another element. So deleted element is 21, which was my second element. Then 34, which was my third. Now it should delete 12. Yeah. See, now the queue is empty. Let me show you. Queue is empty here. Here, queue is empty. So basically, I have shown you how it's filled and how it's empty. Even though it's empty, I cannot put one more element. Watch this. Insert an element. It's still full because it was linear queue. Then let me display whatever there's in queue. So in the queue, it will only be 12 because I've already deleted all the elements. So last element can be stored. And yeah, display 12. So I can now exit the loop by pressing 4. Exit. I'll show you display operation once more. Let me have 3 queue of 3 people. Okay. Insert 12, insert 13, insert 14. Yeah. Now let me display. See, 12, 13, 14. Uh, you can see here 12, 13, 14. This is the queue. Now if you want to delete, deleted one is 12, first element, 13, second element, 14, third element. So this is how our linear queue works. Thanks for watching. I'll give more videos like this.